Good morning. Welcome to Ahead Dental Academy. Myself, Dr. Nitin Singh. I am MDS in Operative and Endodontics. Today, we will be discussing some of the MCQs, multiple choice based question, which normally are asked in AFK examination. Fine. So, without wasting no more time, I'll be starting with the discussion. So, starting with the first question. So, as we can see, the first question is a history based question. It says, a 22-year-old present with a fracture of incisal third of 2-1, exposing a small amount of dentine. The fracture occurred 1 hour previously. There is no mobility of the tooth, but the patient complained that it is rough and sensitive to cold. The most appropriate emergency treatment is to. Now, before going to answer, just read the question always twice, because there are many important things which are hidden in the question only. What most of us do, we always read question once and read answers twice. Like, once I have read the question, now the person who is solving the answer, he starts like, open the pulp chambers, this smoothing, smooth the this fourth option, this again, no, a b c, like this we normally answer, which is not the right thing. Normally, how we should go about. Now, if I have to solve the question, how I'll be reading. A 22-year-old present. The very important thing, 22-year-old, very, very important thing, 22-year-old. So, when the patient is coming to you, he is 22-year-old. That means all the teeth will be present and the root formation will also be will going to complete. Normally, what we have learned, whenever the tooth erupts into the oral cavity, especially the permanent tooth, 1/3 of the root formation is still incomplete, and that tooth is known as young permanent tooth. And it took 3 years for the root formation to complete. For example, Mexican incisor erupt at the age of 7 to 7.5 years, and if we plus 3 years, so it will become 8, 9, and 10. So nearly at the age of 10 or 11, its root formation is complete. If any injury happens before or within this 10 to 11 years, so its root formation will going to stop. So right now the important thing is that here the person who is coming